I shall never see, a poem lovely as a tree. Do you like tree and nature? If so, this is a beautiful home situated in a quiet cul-de-sac in Millbrae Highlands, best for your living style. Welcome in and enjoy the serene babbling sound of the creek and the gorgeous view outside of the bright and oversized windows. 苔痕上阶绿，草色入帘青。你要是喜欢这样诗情画意的生活方式，又想离交通跟学校近一点，一起過嚟參觀我們的5號 Mancha， 一齊了解下呢個喺城市附近嘅世外桃源生活空間。Street level has an open floor plan that connects the bright and airy living room, dining room, kitchen, and family room. New luxurious hardwood floors throughout the whole space. 樓上開放空間，明亮通透，綠樹環抱，日日見到綠色，對眼都健康啲啊。The chef's kitchen makes entertaining pleasurable. From the custom-built butcher block countertop, the wall-mount vent hood, to the high-end stainless steel appliances, enjoy a barbecue party on the roomy wood deck patio with a beautiful view of the canyon and green trees. 廚房現代化裝修，樹外叢林環繞，綠樹疊影。坐喺自己嘅陽台度，都可以感受到大自然嘅氣息啊。The middle level offers 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, both are updated, and a laundry area. All the bedrooms are bright and spacious, surrounded by large decks. 中間這層3房2衛，洗手間新裝修，舒適宜人。感覺係咪好似喺度假屋度咁樣呢？ The bottom level is a bonus room with a separate entrance. It could be used as an office, gym, or anything you want. This space is not in the county square foot yet, which could potentially bring up the total useful square foot to around 2,500 square feet. Large decks on all levels give you plenty of spaces for outdoor entertaining and relaxing. 樓下附加多一個空間，辦公室、健身房，各種用途，悉隨尊便。室外亦都好多個陽台，無限接近大自然，真係好舒適啊！ With the award-winning school close by, we also have Caltrain BART, SFO nearby, and 101 280. Also a trail you can walk right downstairs. This is such a beautiful and scenic home that you cannot miss. 当春天到来，优山美地的冰雪融化的时候啊，楼下的小溪会有潺潺的流水。 秋冬季，这个整个山坡上边都是五彩斑斓的樹葉，特別優美。趕緊過嚟參觀，呢度行街食飯、學校都一樣咁方便。我希望你過嚟一齊睇下，一齊欣賞。我哋喺度等你㗎。Welcome to our open house. I hope to see you.